Okay, now you can leave your client standing in the ring and use any of the tools, rings or coils, whatever. Step scared here. Rings, coils, feedback loops to do a session. The simplest session is to simply use a coil, drawing the energy from the area of pain. It can be stand up, sit down, whatever's convenient. I think I mentioned yesterday, stuck shoulder is the easiest, one of the easier parlor tricks you can do with the tools. And you just put the drawing end up in the armpit and have the person hold it and go about their conversations or, you know, having their drink at the bar, whatever they're doing. And usually within 15 to 20 minutes, the stuck shoulder is released, and it's usually a permanent cure. A feedback loop can also be used. Anytime there's any pain, grab your coil, go right to that painful spot and work with it. You can trace the meridians. You know, starting at the top of the head, you've seen the diagrams, how the meridians run throughout the body. And you can just trace those, you know, down the length of the body, down to the toes, down the arms, out the end of the fingers. And it's a nice service. People feel energized afterwards. Their chakras are cleared. Just a moment with the coil at each chakra point clears it right out. That's basically all there is. You know, go to the point of pain, pull out the energy. When the pain's gone, then reverse the coil and put positive energy back in for a few moments. Kind of seal up the aura, close it.